As soon as Grok became a paid tool for all users, bad actors came out and started showing tools with free trials and a few daily credits as a free alternative to Grok. Of course, that's not an alternative. It's like instead of taking an Uber and getting from point A to point B, you take an Uber, drive a couple of kilometers, tell the driver you forgot the money, and then have to take the next Uber. I did the research and found 3 tools that are completely free without any credit systems involved. The third tool has some daily or hourly limitations, just like the free version of Grok did before. Of course, if you have a powerful device, you can use Comfy UI, Focus, or Forge to generate images and videos, including uncensored ones. If you currently don't have such a device, or you just don't want to deal with techie stuff like this, but would rather work in a familiar environment, you can still access completely free AI tools online. The first one is the Hunyuan AI tool. You might think that I am cuckoo for using a translation tool when I can just switch to English, but actually, no. When you switch to English, most of the content stays in Chinese anyway. If you don't understand Chinese, you can just use the website translator. For logging in, there is one issue. The email option did not work for my business email, despite the fact that I received the login code on that address. The error message said the email address is not supported. So, I used my Gmail address, and it worked without any issues. Here are the different generators. Let's test the image generator first. I'm going to use the same simple prompt in every generator. Here are the images. They look very good. The only thing is the watermark, but I'm sure you know what to do with it. Next, let's test the text-to-video generator. Same prompt, choose high-quality resolution, 16:9 aspect ratio, and prompt enhancer on. Let's generate. Here is the video, and let's generate another one with the prompt enhancer off. In both videos, the astronaut walks away from the camera, but I can easily fix it by adding "astronaut walks toward camera" to the prompt. We all know that to generate an image or video, we have to choose the generator type, the resolution, write a prompt or add an image, pick the aspect ratio, and so on. So, to not make this video unnecessarily long, next I will show you only the generated results of the different tools. This is image to video generation. I used a previously generated image for this. Hunyuan has other interesting features like video dubbing effects. Here, I took the generated video, typed wind and astronaut steps in the prompt, and it generated sound effects for my video. This is the image editor. Here we can add or remove things from the image. I found out that you need to switch the page back to Chinese to be able to write in the prompt area. You can still type in English, but if the page is translated to English, it doesn't allow you to type in the prompt field. Here you can see that with a simple prompt, add Mars rover in the background, it added the rover right into the image. Here you can also extend the image. If you have an image in a 9:16 aspect ratio, you can extend it to 16:9. Here is another module where you can generate a 3D model. It works very well. I just don't know what to use it for. It's probably useful for crafters who work with a 3D printer. Qwen AI. Here I created a video using the same prompt. The video came out nicely, and it actually generates videos with audio. After that, I generated an image and added a Mars rover in the background. I asked it to move the astronaut closer to the camera, but it ignored it. So I used the prompt, "the same scene, astronaut close-up," and it worked. Finally, I tried the image to video option, and that also came out nice and with audio. And last but not least is Meta AI. It also has image and video generators. This is an image generated by Meta AI. The astronaut is very far away, but of course, we can correct that with the right prompt, like close-up and so on. We also have the option to edit the image or apply pre-made filters. It can generate videos too. By default, they are in a 9:16 aspect ratio, but we can change that by uploading horizontal images. Let's see what we can do with the generated video. First, we can extend it, though you can only use this option once per video. We can also add a filter. This looks surreal and nice. We can also add background music. This looks nice, don't you think? Plus, you can generate a video from an image. As you can see, when we upload a horizontal image, it creates a horizontal video. Meta AI has some hourly or daily limits, just like the free version of Grok did. I can't tell you exactly what those limits are, but you can generate quite a lot of images and videos before hitting them. If you are looking for a truly free alternative to Grok and other generators with no credit systems involved, these three are exactly what you are looking for. I hope this video helps creators who are just starting out and have no extra money to spend on expensive generators. Hopefully, you can use these to create beautiful things, earn some money, and eventually upgrade to more advanced tools. That's all for today. Until the next one.